was built to last with the whims of weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving on my foot.
What is up? Welcome back to the channel, Bigvernsmotolife, hustle and muscle every day. I'm rocking with you and I appreciate you guys rocking with me. I am getting ready for the huge motorcycle show, the Fuel Cleveland. It is going down this Saturday. Guys, I'm getting the Road Glide back behind me here ready. We've got a package in the mail. Let's see what we got. All right, and just like that, guys, you see, I want to thank my friends at Kemi-Moto. You guys can see that. Kemi-Moto right there, guys. These are saddlebag organizers. Let me jump over real quick and show you what I'm working with. You see my saddlebags here, guys, on the Road Glide. I've got all kinds of stuff in there, tools, water, clothes, all kinds of stuff in there. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you how to install these saddlebag organizers and make these bags look amazing. All right, let's get after this thing. And once again, I want to thank my boys at Kemi-Moto. First thing I'm going to do, I am going to empty out these saddlebags and get this thing ready to go. It's all cleaned out of the bags. We're going to get this installation of these Kemi-Moto saddlebag organizers started. Fellas, it is a super easy install. Let me swing back around to them real quick. As you can see, fellas, they've got the pockets for your glasses. They've got even another zip pocket here, a huge pocket, and another pocket for your phone or anything else like that. They've got this here, which I'm really loving. You can slide a water bottle in there or anything like that that you need. These things are really sturdy. I'm gonna turn it over. You can see they've got the Velcro patches, so all you have to do basically is pull that off and stick that to the side of the bike and the saddlebags, and it sticks so easily. So guys, we're gonna get this installation started. Really super easy. You see these holes right here? All these are gonna do, you're gonna take out your saddlebags and attach them directly right here to the bags, exactly through those loops. I'm gonna show you guys and walk you guys through. It is an easy installation. Let's get it. Get this easy installation started Big Vern style. Guys, first things first, this is gonna fit all touring Harley-Davidson motorcycles 2014 and above, so make sure it fits your motorcycle. Let's get started. So fellas, all you're gonna do, I'm gonna take the camera, we're gonna zoom down in below, and you guys are gonna see right where your saddlebags are attached with these clips right here. If you've got a newer model, this is a 15. Some of them screw in, but this is gonna be exactly what you guys are gonna see. And all we're gonna do is hold tight. I'll be right back. All right, fellas, so what I'm gonna do is I've already removed, as I showed you before, I've already removed the clip from here, and all we're gonna do is take that. We're gonna take that clip, run it straight through that hole. Super easy installation, and we're gonna go right back up into one step really quickly. Guys, if you wanna go ahead and attach that, you can pull those Velcro clips off right here, and it just attaches and sticks right to the backside. I'm not gonna do it on this install, but you guys make sure if you got it permanent, you put those stickers in there. And then all you see right here, fellas, is I'm gonna stick that back in. I'm gonna make that turn till you hear that click, and it is all done. I'm gonna quickly do the other side, taking the clip out, clips out. We're gonna go ahead, stick it back through the provided hole from Kemi-Moto, which fits perfectly. And we're gonna push that back in till you hear that click. And as you see, I'm gonna zoom in on it real quick. Those babies are all in there and they look great. All right, and just like that, those saddlebag organizers are installed. Let's check out what we've got. Man, looks really, really good. Guys, if you saw before, I had all that crap all over the place. It is nice and organized. And again, has the huge pocket here, another pocket behind there, another pocket here, and another pocket behind there for great storage. I don't even have enough stuff to put in there. Before, everything was overflowing, but it is nice and organized now. Love the way that looks. Let's swing around to the left side. Guys, you see I've organized everything with the water bottle, all my glasses, gloves. I've still got plenty space. I've even got my spray wax and all that good stuff, extra t-shirt, gloves, I've got everything, and you see I've still got plenty space to go. This is a super affordable way to organize your saddlebags. It is a great price. I'm gonna drop a discount code on the below if you guys can pick it up. It is gonna be available for those baggers 14 and above. Guys, it is a great alternative. Want to spread a special shout out to my guys at Kemi-Moto. Much love.